Okay, okay, you'll be my photographer today. Okay. Good work going on here, Jamhuri grounds. Good progress with the excavation work. Preparation of the grounds has been completed. Now it's very, very heavy duty excavation of the foundation. We have a good schedule. We have timelines, and looking at the pace of work going on here, no doubt that we are well within our set timelines. So very confident that Talanta Sports City is on track. We have no doubt whatsoever that this project should be ready on schedule, and we have set the target of December 2025 to have this project ready and good to go, to be put to the test, and that will give us about a year and a half to test it, to try it out ahead of AFCON 2027. So all good, all on track. Quite pleased with the progress of works here.